Here's some examples of the stuff on the sheet I gave in the lesson about how to play some bits and pieces of the scales in the first 4 bars of Sunny, and how to start interweaving those bits of scales together over those 4 chords. So from bar 15 on the sheet, the E minor, G, F sharp, E to G7, which is an F, to E to D, to, whoops, E minor, G7, C major, B7. Okay, the next line at bar 19, 5-note pattern over the E minor, then to the G7 starting on the F, descending down the F mixolydian, then to the C major starting on the 3rd, descending down the C major scale, and then the B7 starting on its 3rd, descending down the Phrygian dominant or the E harmonic minor scale. So from bar 23, going down the arpeggio, starting on the 3rd of the E minor, the G, then starting on the F on the G, then the E on the C major, and the D sharp on the B. That's the 3, 1, flat 7, 5, 5 against the E minor, and then the 4, 4th finger onto the flat 7 for the G7. There's the C major and the B7. Oops, sorry. Back to the last exercise. Okay, here in time. Okay, then we start using those arpeggios up and down and landing again using those guide tones that we've been at the top of the page. So from bar 27, it's up and down the E minor, and land on the F natural as we go to the G chord to it's flat 7, and just let it hang there. Then on the C major, we go down the C major 7 arpeggio starting on the 3rd, and then ascend back up from the 5th, and then we resolve to the 3rd, that's the D sharp of B7. So here we go from the E minor. Again, and now C major. Here we're going up and down the arpeggio on the chord, and then resolving to the other root note, the other guide tone. Now we're going to do the opposite way, where we start with a long tone and then play the arpeggio. This time the arpeggios will be on the G7 and the B7, and the long notes will be on the E minor 7 and the C major 7. This is from bar 31 of the sheet. Here is the E minor, and you play the G on top. 2 and 3 and 4, the G7 to the E over the C major 7, and now the B7 arpeggio. You can manipulate where you start and turn direction in the arpeggio so that you can nicely lead into that guide tone line. I hope those are really helpful. Watch out for the, also get you the backing track for that section.